we're at this breakfast place and lunch place that sells dumplings and everything that I want, but there's no English translation in their menu, so I just used Google Translate. So nag-take picture ako sa camera so that I would know what the menu is in English, and then when I order, I just point to whatever I want, and then I just pay via Alipay. That's how we're surviving here every day, and it's already like 17, 18, 19, 20. It's our 5th day already. Thank God for Google Translate. We're at this place na walang English translation, so ang ginawa namin is na Google Translate na lang kami sa lahat-lahat. This is where we're eating. I know I've been talking a lot about how efficient their public transportation is, so we are now at the train station going to Chanzifang. Going to Madang Road. This is line 9. What's nice about their trains is that you can interchange lines. Hindi ka nalalabas within the station lang if you wanna interchange lines. It's day 6 here in Shanghai, and tapos na ang race kahapon, so we're back to my side of the itinerary, which is going to artsy shops, old towns, and mga cute little streets, alleyways, and temples this afternoon. And maghahanap ng pasalubong because, to be honest, Shanghai is quite surprising to me. Wala akong masyadong nakitang places wherein you could buy souvenirs. Like, nasanay siguro ako na kapag pumunta ka ng Singapore, Thailand, and all other places in Asia, like, every now and then or here and there, may mga nakikita kang nagbebenta ng mga souvenir items. But here, parang napaka-dedicated ng mga spaces na yon. So, you need to go to those dedicated places or alleyways to buy those stuff. So, hopefully we can get some in Chanzifang today. And we're crossing this very vast road na parang 6 lanes yata to or 8 lanes, I'm not sure, but definitely galing kaming Madang station going to Chanzifang. Chanzifang Road is the name of the alleyway that we're going to go to hopefully get some cute items to bring home. We're just waiting for the goal sign para makalakad na kami. That's Family Mart. Ano masasabi mo kapag nakakita ka ng mga Family Mart or 7-Eleven?
We're safe. Nakaka-survive tayo.
That's true. We're buying gelato here at Chanzifang. We're finally here. Gelato. We're eating our gelato. So, is it just me or kayo rin ba? Kapag nasa stage na kayo na kumakain na kayo ng mga treats or gelato or something sweet or dessert sa trips nyo, means to say you've kind of relaxed a little bit in terms of your budget. Kasi kumakain na kayo ng sweets eh. It's not just meals. But, well, that's just me. Kapag nasa point na ako na kumakain na ng dessert, hindi na siya meal, I'm okay. We now have our pasalubong from Chanzifang. We're going to the next itinerary for today, which is the Jade Buddha Temple, and behind me is a stand. This is a train station, by the way. We just got out from the train station, and right outside the exit gate is this pastry stand, which tempts me to buy it. Kung ano man yung binibenta niya, it looks very authentic, but I'm just restraining myself kasi medyo bloated pa ako. We're gonna get back to that perhaps later. finally made it here at the Jade Buddha Temple. It's 4 p.m. So there's a ceremony. I'm going there. So smacked right in the middle of Shanghai's metropolitan. Those are skyscrapers around us, and then there's this preserved temple, which is just amazing, a symbol of respect to their culture and to their religion. So nice to be here. This is the most expensive meal we had this entire stay. This is 139 yuan. Hot pot. Because we are craving meat. Just drinking beer before we head to the airport. We're going home in a few hours, so just strolling the neighborhood. One last time. This is Shinzo Road, so we just came from Cafe Paulus. It's a local brewery. We got beers, one for the road. And Jed, show what you bought. Pakita mo, anong binili mo?
Dulce.
Ah,
Dulce.
for candies, para pasalubong. Ako, I already had my fair share of those yesterday. I had a lot. I bought a lot. Not candies, but mga sweets, mga pastry. And also, I got a shirt for myself. The thing with Shanghai, they don't have those like shirts na makakita mo sa ibang Asian countries wherein they're prevalent. Hindi ka mag... Wait, one moment. I thought we're going to McDonald's.
Ikot tayo.
Okay. So why are we eating McDonald's for dinner? So it's already 5 p.m.
Para may transition pabalik ng Pinas.
Yeah. Because what have we been eating here? Alam niyo, kinakain namin 7 araw na 7 full days. Ang kinakain namin just an iteration of a xiaolongbao, a wonton, a noodle, some protein like braised pork rib, beef, nag-hot pot kami kagabi. It's an iteration of those. So ngayon parang naisip namin, how about for dinner before we leave the hotel, mag-McDonald's tayo kasi we leave for the airport by 8:30 because our flight is at 1:35. So boarding yan is around 12:30. So we should be at the airport before then. And then we're gonna take the metro. And parang 18 stops from here. So we're giving 1.5 hour for the metro. Hopefully just 30 minutes immigration. And so what I'm saying is we are getting ready to go home by eating McDonald's. Can you believe it? Can you believe it? We're ordering McDonald's. So I'm gonna have a burger. I know I'm gonna have rice and a chicken.
Parang walang rice.
No. May fried chicken. Oh, this one. Like that. Fried chicken.
Pero walang rice.
Oh my God, wala sila rice.
Walang rice sa McDonald's.
Baka may sides. Nasa sides ang rice. Can you go
Wala.
see? Happy Meal. Try mo Happy Meal. Baka nandyan.
Happy Meal may toys to eh. Wala talaga silang rice.
Bakit wala rice?
Ano, sa iba na lang?
Okay lang. Dito
Kailangan
na
ko ng
lang.
rice.
Okay na lang. Ito na. I'm gonna survive without rice. Okay. Let's go find me some meal. This is our neighborhood. That's the Shuzoku. We've been here for a week now and we're going home in a while. And this neighborhood is just so beautiful. Lots of greens. And then sobrang linas ng creek nila. And it's just very peaceful. Like you could just contemplate here sa mga desisyon mo sa buhay, or just sit down and reflect. It's gonna be very nice.
May isda, may no? Laki. Ang laki.
Saan?
Ang laki.